I'm Karuna Nagula. I'm an alumni of ICT Mumbai, Bioprocess Technology, and I have been seeing this biosimilar workshop from so many years, but this one is the most special one because on such a large scale with so many industry peoples whom we cannot access easily, and so many big people in the DBT and biopharmaceutical industries, they have come here, and it was actually really a very worthwhile workshop to be attended, and the posters were actually very diverse, and they were really at par of the bioprocess technology and also biopharmaceutical industries technologies have been were there, and I think Dr. Ratnesh Jain sir has done a really great job for organizing such a good workshop. We cannot call it as a workshop, but it can be called as an international equivalent to an international conference, and also networking, highly networking place, and it has been like out of ICT Mumbai, it was the first time which was conducted in Goa, and I think even the place was also appropriate for all the industry people and also for the other students and academia to come here. I'm really happy, and I was also one of the poster presenter at BSW Goa 2023, and I really enjoyed the event, and it was actually brainstorming sessions were there, including gene therapy, CAR T cells, and USFDA. That is one of the, I haven't seen any conference where they are been invited, and we are lucky, we had an interaction with them also.